2012 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 fuel filter replacement. Fuel filter sits at the front of the engine bay. Obviously you've got your engine cover to take off first. So unplug your plug and to get this front panel off, which is 10mm, 4 10mm nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull that out of the way and we can get to our Allen key bolts, one there which will release the filter, and one there as well. So we'll get this front panel off first and we'll come back. Right, so I've undone 4 nuts. Take your metal casing off. You want to obviously take your fuel lines off, so just push down your tabs and pull the fuel lines out. This one, you need to pull the metal tab up and then squeeze these together and pull off. Push down, pull off. Underneath, push down, pull off. Get your fuel lines off. They come with bungs usually to bung the fuel lines up, but need not worry. And then we can undo our Allen key bolts. One there, and one there, 6mm, and then the filter will lift out. So we'll get these off, get it out, come back. Right, so when you obviously disconnect your fuel lines, put them to the side, out of the way, you'll have a plug underneath it, which is the water sensor, and you'll have your drain tube. This will drain the filter out, obviously out of that drain tube, but unless you get underneath it, you can drain below the floor. So just pull it out like that, get your new filter, sling it back in the hole, obviously do your bolts up, and then connect your fuel lines up, and we'll come back to bleeding it. Okay, so put your tubes and hoses on, apart from this return line, leave that one off, front cover on as well. Vacuum pump, obviously we use a big vacuum pump, but we use hand primer. Prime until you get continuous fuel. You're going to get the odd bubble, but continuous fuel out of this tube, and then start it. And she should go first time, so that's how you bleed it. And obviously reconnect your hose, and away you go. Job done.